you're booking a Princess cruise, you've likely considered the Princess Plus or the Princess Premier packages. And recently, they have changed. There are new prices, updated perks, and even a few things that were removed. Whether you've already booked or you're in the process of planning your first Princess cruise, this video will break down exactly how the packages work now and help you figure out if they are worth it for you. Hi there, I'm Ilana from the website lifewellcruise.com. Welcome back to my channel. Now, Princess Plus and Princess Premier have been around for years. However, Princess Cruises has made a pretty significant change recently. Now, I know there's been a little bit of confusion because what Princess has done, I think personally that it is good, but they have made a change and they've made basically a little bit of a rollback on one of the changes. Now, if you've been confused because you already know about Princess Plus and Princess Premier, but you just need to know the details, how is it going to work from now on, or you're new to Princess and you want to know exactly what this bundle package is all about, this video is for you. I am going to cover everything and answer some of the most frequently asked questions in today's video. Now, before I get started, I did want to mention that if you like this video, if you find it helpful, informative, or enjoyable in any way, then please do give this video a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's get started. All right, now quickly, what is Princess Plus and what is Princess Premier? Well, basically, these are bundle style packages. And of course, you can absolutely cruise on Princess without them. You will have a great time. But these packages are great if you want a little bit more of an all-inclusive type cruise with some things that you would likely purchase anyway. Now, Princess Cruises has two packages. They have Princess Plus that includes all of the basics, and they have Princess Premier that includes some of the extras that you may enjoy. And of course, they do come at different price points. The Princess Plus package. Now, the Princess Plus package is now $65 per person per day on most of the Princess cruise ships. Now, it is $70 per person per day if you are sailing on one of Princess's newest cruise ships, the Sphere class ships, and that includes Sun Princess and Star Princess. Now, something important to know, and this is a pretty new update, is this is the price if you purchase it pre-cruise, up to 4 days before your cruise. So don't wait on that. If you wait until you're on the cruise ship, it is going to be $5 extra per person per day. Now, here's what's included in the Princess Plus package. You get the Plus beverage package. Now, this includes cocktails, beer, wine by the glass, fountain soda, mocktails, and juices up to $15 each, with a daily limit of 15 drinks on alcoholic and most non-alcoholic beverages. Now, there has been a recent change that guests will love. Originally, this updated Princess Plus package included specialty coffee and teas as part of the 15 drink daily limit. However, there has been a reversal on that, and specialty coffee and tea are no longer included in the 15 drink a day limit. Now, when it comes to bottled water, that's also not included in your 15 drink a day daily limit. You can have up to 12 water bottles per day per person. Now, the Princess Plus beverage package is a big part of the Princess Plus package, but that really isn't the only value. You also get Wi-Fi with their Medallion NetMax, which is a higher speed Wi-Fi, one device per person per day. Your daily gratuities or crew appreciation are also included. And you also get 4 casual dining restaurants per person per cruise, which is a change and up from 2 casual restaurants in the past. Now, I know a lot of people, especially if you're new to Princess, wonder, what does that mean? Casual dining restaurants. Well, basically, Princess does have these sit-down venues outside of the main dining room and buffet that have a small cover charge or prefix menu. These vary by ship, but here are a few examples. You'll have Alfredo's or Gigi's, as it's called on some cruise ships. This is a sit-down but casual Italian restaurant that has amazing pizza, calzones, and some other Italian fare. You have O'Malley's Irish Pub. This is a really fun atmosphere where you'll basically have a variety of pub-style food. You also have Kai's Sushi or the Ocean Terrace Sushi Bar, as well as the Salty Dog Gastropub, which is gourmet pub food and burgers. Now, just to note, there are other casual dining options that are included on Princess. I will leave a video at the end of this one about everything that is included on Princess Cruises in case that can be helpful. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, you also get Ocean Now. There are no fees to this if you have Princess Plus. And basically what this is a delivery to your cabin or even elsewhere on the cruise ship. You actually have a menu on your app of different foods and drinks that can be brought to you. All right. Now for another change. What is not included anymore in Princess Plus, because there have been some changes. So premium desserts are no longer included. Some of you might remember those are those tall sundae-like desserts and some other desserts as well. The juice bar, fitness classes, Princess Prizes, and medallion shipping have all been removed from the package for bookings made after July 22nd, 2025. Now you might be wondering what happens if I purchased Princess Plus or Princess Premier before that date. So I will share that with you later on in the video. The new Princess Premier package, and I say new because there is one new benefit that I think a lot of people are going to like. Now, Princess Premier has increased in price. It is now $100 per person per day on most cruise ships, or $105 on the new Sphere class ships if you buy it before you sail. Just like Plus, if you wait until you're on board, the price goes up by $5 per day. Now, it's important to remember, to get the lower price, you have to make sure that you add that package to your booking at least 4 days or 96 hours before you sail. However, I would not wait until the last minute. So what's included in Princess Premier? You get everything from the Plus package, but you also get unlimited specialty dining as well as unlimited casual dining. So if you're somebody who's a little bit of a foodie and you'd rather skip the buffet or the main dining room and opt for those more upscale, intimate, and let's face it, just a little bit higher quality specialty restaurants, then you probably will appreciate this package. You get the Premier Beverage package, which is unlimited, by the way, and applies to drinks that are up to $20. When it comes to Wi-Fi, instead of 1 device per person, you get up to 4 devices per person. And just like Princess Plus, your gratuities or your daily crew appreciation is included. There are no fees for Ocean Now or any room service delivery. You get a new shore excursion credit. Now, this shore excursion credit is $100 per person for 6 to 9 day cruises, $200 per person for 10 to 20 days, and $300 per person for longer voyages. You'll get the photo package, which includes unlimited digital downloads and 3 prints and reserved theater seating for production shows. Now, the shore excursion credit is something new. Personally, I think there's a lot of value in that for a lot of people. And I did want to mention something that might be a little bit underutilized or at least undervalued before the cruise. And it's something we really do enjoy on our cruises. It is the photo package. Now, typically, I don't take a lot of professional photos when I'm on the cruise because it's expensive. But we've actually taken advantage of it because it's included. And even if you don't include the printed ones, and the printed ones are nice, but just even having the digital downloads, we've done family cruises and, even just having some couple pictures, that's definitely been a nice added benefit. But I am curious, please let me know what you think. If you were to take either of the packages, which one would you go with, Princess Plus or Princess Premier? Now, what has changed with the Princess Plus package compared to the older version? Well, premium desserts, the juice bar, fitness classes, Princess Prizes, I know a lot of people like that, and medallion shipping are all no longer included for bookings made after July 22nd, 2025. Now, if you're new to Princess, you might be wondering, what is a medallion exactly? Well, a medallion looks very similar to an AirTag, but it basically replaces your key card on your cruise. It does so much more. I do have that in other Princess videos, so I'll link them at the end of this video. But I can tell you that I've picked up my medallion at the cruise port for years. At the beginning, because it wasn't shipped to Canada, and then after, because sometimes I waited a little bit too long to order it and it got a little bit closer to the deadline. So I've picked it up at the cruise port, and honestly, it probably has added about 5 minutes to the time that it took me to get on board. Now, by the way, all of this comes into effect for cruises that you might be sailing on after January 2026. So what happens if you purchased your package last month or anytime before the new packages became available? Basically, nothing changes. You're going to keep the older perks that you have already paid for in your package. And for cruises 2026 and beyond, your package is going to be grandfathered in with the original benefits. However, if you do want to upgrade to the new packages, you can definitely do that through Princess directly or through your travel agent. Okay, so let's talk briefly about the coffee and soda change to the Princess Plus package and the subsequent rollback, because I know there has been some confusion online about this. So here's the update. Fountain sodas along with Red Bull energy drinks and frappes are included within the 15 drink daily limit of the Princess Plus package. However, when it comes to specialty tea and coffee, when Princess originally announced this Princess Plus change, specialty tea and coffee were also supposed to be part of that daily limit. However, they did say that they heard guest feedback and they did reverse course on that. Now, Princess did reach out to share the news. They sent letters to guests, which have been widely circulated on social media, and they've updated their FAQ section regarding drinks on the Princess website. Now, what if you prefer canned soda to fountain sodas? Now, as I mentioned, the Plus package actually includes fountain sodas. However, Princess does point out on their website, our packages include fountain soft drinks. If you prefer, for single soda orders, we are happy to provide canned sodas upon request at no cost. So is Princess Plus or even Princess Premier, are they worth it? Now, it is important to go through what would these things cost otherwise and do a little bit of a breakdown to see if this is worth it for you. So firstly, gratuities or the crew appreciation are about $17 to $19 per person per day, depending on the type of stateroom that you have. Wi-Fi for one device is $24.99 per person per day. Drinks on board range from approximately $10 to $14 each, plus gratuity. Even with just 2 to 3 drinks a day, that can easily add up to between $30 and $50 per person per day. And then, of course, casual meals that are approximately $15 for a 3-course meal per person per meal. Now, by my calculations for a 7-day cruise, this adds up to at least $550 per person per 7-day cruise, even at the minimum. The 7-day Princess Plus package at $65 per person per day adds up to $455. Now, when it comes to Princess Premier, this is actually pretty popular, but it really does depend how much you value these extras or perks. You get unlimited drinks, unlimited specialty dining, Wi-Fi for up to 4 devices, a photo package, and a shore excursion credit of anywhere from $100 to $300 depending on the length of your cruise. Now, the multi-device Wi-Fi package is approximately $45 per day. So if you use multiple devices or appreciate going to specialty restaurants during your cruise, Princess Premier saves even more, and the added benefit is that the cruise becomes almost all inclusive. Now, there are some things to consider for people that are Platinum or Elite Captain Circle members, and basically this is the higher tier loyalty members. Well, you do have certain benefits, so it is worth considering and doing the math. Elite and Platinum guests do get 50% off their Wi-Fi packages, and they also benefit from a mini bar setup in their cabin. Now, depending on the length of your cruise and whether or not you're going to use some of the other benefits, it may be worth it financially to skip the package if you do have those additional benefits. That said, I would love to hear from you because I know many Platinum and Elite Princess passengers actually do still like the packages because they really appreciate that convenience. But let me know your opinion either way. And if you're new to Princess Cruises, I hope this video has been helpful. Let me know any questions that you may have. Now, I am going to leave that video about what's included on Princess and what is not for you to watch next in case that can be helpful. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Bye for now and happy cruising.